Hey coders, welcome to day 2 of my 50-day coding challenge. Now we're building a sleek professional calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This isn't just any calculator. It has smooth animations, keyboard support, and a modern glass morphism design. Let's dive in. First, let's set up our project. Create 3 files, index.html for the structure, styles.css for styling, script.js for functionality. Open your code editor, and let's begin with the HTML structure. Inside the HTML file, we'll create a calculator container, a display area showing previous and current operations, buttons for numbers, operators, and functions. Now let's make it look stunning with CSS. Glass morphism effect using backdrop filter, blur, neon glow on hover with box shadow, smooth button animations, ripple effect and transitions. Fully responsive design works on phones and desktops. Watch how the buttons light up when you hover. So satisfying. Time for the brains of our calculator, JavaScript. A calculator class to handle operations, keyboard support, type numbers directly. Error handling prevents invalid inputs. Real-time display updates. Test it out. Press 7, plus, 3, and equals. Did you get 10? Perfect. Here's the final result, a sleek, interactive calculator. Want to level it up? Try adding dark mode toggle scientific functions, calculation history. Drop a comment if you want a tutorial on these extras. That's a wrap for day 2. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe for daily projects, and tell me, what should I build next? Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video.